Today, we're diving into a delicious and nutritious mango turmeric smoothie that's not only refreshing, but also great for your gut health. Let's get started. First, grab 1 cup of frozen mango chunks. These sweet, tropical bites are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Next, add in half a banana. This will give your smoothie a creamy texture and a touch of natural sweetness that you'll love. Now, here comes the star ingredient, turmeric. Just half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or a small piece of fresh turmeric will add a warm, earthy flavor and amazing anti-inflammatory benefits. For a little extra nutrition, toss in a tablespoon of hemp seeds or chia seeds. They're fantastic sources of healthy fats and protein. Finally, pour in 1 cup of coconut milk or any plant-based milk you prefer. Blend it all together until smooth, and you've got a vibrant, gut-friendly smoothie that's perfect for any time of day.